all, thanks for joining me for another Camp Gnarly video. On today's episode, we are installing the Diode Dynamics C1R HitchMount Light kit. Some facts about Diode Dynamics: they're engineered and manufactured in the USA, specifically in my hometown, St. Louis, Missouri. Shout out to all my homies. They make a killer product. I've been with them since the very beginning. I had diodes on my 4Runner, and you can see pictures of my Subaru Forester. There's pictures of like the SL1 lights on that car. Diode didn't sponsor this video. I bought this product by myself. I'm not affiliated with Diode at all. I just stand by their product because they've never failed me, and even if they do fail me, their customer service is top-notch. Stick around in this video to see how you can win the set of C1R HitchMount Light. So we're doing the install on my Land Cruiser. So this install is super easy. You don't need any tools. You might need a pair of scissors to tidy up the cables with the zip ties, but it's completely 100% plug and play. We're doing the install right now in the backcountry. We're in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, Grand Tetons. So in the kit, you'll get some stickers, your pod light, you'll get a 2.5-inch receiver adapter, and then your 7-pin harness and a T-tap in case your brake light doesn't work. So you're gonna take your 7-pin harness, you're gonna take the fatter side, this longer side, plug that in, make sure it clicks, and then we're gonna stick the shorter end back into the 7-pin mount, and then you can run these cables. There's a harness up here, so you'll take your Diode connector out of the receiver. So you're gonna plug in that 4-pin Diode connector, and then you're just gonna push this in until those 2 circle tabs pop out. So this does stick out about, say, an inch. So we're gonna come into the car, make sure everything works. So if you like the F1 style strobe light for the brake, that's how it should be stock. But if you don't like it, you can cut one of the wires, brake, and then there should be a super bright white reverse. Okay, when you lock your car, it'll just single blink. But when you unlock your car, it'll strobe. Again. On that second blink, it'll strobe. On the brakes, reverse light, super bright. So if you guys have a bike rack such as this one up, Super Duty, show you how easy it is to just take this off, take your C1R, remove this little dust cover, run that through, plug it in, and then plug that back in. That's ready to go. Hey guys, Happy New Year's. I was supposed to drop this video like a long time ago, probably back in like August or September of last year, but a lot came up, so I'm doing this video now. First of all, I want to say thank you to everyone that's subscribed to my channel. It's been a lot of fun making videos for everyone. Rules for the giveaway are super easy. You just need to subscribe to my channel, like this post, And in the comment section, say what car you're gonna put this C1R kit on. And then on Instagram for bonus entries, you can follow me on there too. I'll have a post. Same thing, just like the post, tag a friend for extra bonus points, and I will be tracking all of this across all of the social media accounts. So by the time you see this video, it'll probably be mid to late January. So the contest will run from the date that this video is posted to March 1st. So good luck, and thanks for subscribing to the channel.